This LG TV looked completely dead, but in just a few minutes, we're going to bring it back to life. Hi everyone, welcome to Future Tech Hub. Today we're repairing an LG 49UH651V smart TV with a backlight failure. In this video, I'll show you the complete repair process, from diagnosis to the final test. Let's get started. This television has a backlight failure. The TV powers on, but the screen remains dark because the LED backlights are no longer working correctly. To repair the TV, we first need to remove the rear cover and safely disassemble the display. I started by removing all the screws securing the back cover. Once the screws were removed, I carefully lifted the cover to access the internal components. It's always important to keep the screws organized so they can be returned to their correct positions during reassembly. Before removing the LCD panel, I disconnected the ribbon cables and other internal connectors. These connectors are delicate, so they must be handled carefully to avoid damage. The LCD panel is the most fragile part of the television. I carefully lifted the panel and placed it in a safe location to prevent scratches or cracks. Any small mistake at this stage can permanently damage the screen. Next, I removed the diffuser sheets. These layers distribute the light evenly across the display. They must remain clean and in the correct order to avoid picture quality issues after reassembly. Now we can clearly see the LED backlight strips. After inspecting the LEDs, I confirmed that the backlights had failed. Instead of replacing individual LEDs, I decided to replace the complete set of LED strips to ensure long-term reliability. I carefully removed the old LED strips and installed the new replacement backlights. Each strip was aligned correctly to ensure even brightness across the entire screen. Proper alignment is very important for the best picture quality. Once the new backlights were tested, I reinstalled the diffuser sheets in their original order. These sheets help spread the light evenly and prevent bright or dark spots on the screen. Next, I carefully placed the LCD panel back into position. This is one of the most important steps because the screen is extremely fragile. I made sure the panel was properly aligned before securing it. After reinstalling the display, I reconnected all the ribbon cables and internal connectors. Every connection must be secure before powering on the television. With everything connected, I installed the rear cover and tightened all the screws. At this point, the television was ready for its final test. Now it's time to see the result. The television powers on successfully, and the picture is bright, clear, and evenly illuminated. The backlight repair has been completed successfully. Replacing the faulty LED backlights has restored this LG 49UH651V smart TV to full working condition. Repairs like this can often save a television from being thrown away and are usually much more affordable than buying a new TV. Thank you for watching Future Tech Hub. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll be sharing more TV repairs, technology reviews, AI tools, and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.